Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Praveen here. I hope you guys are extremely doing good. So in this video, apart from the daily regular things, I have brought something new where I wanted to make sure every one of my viewers are taking the health importance, right? Why health is important, guys? Because we all are IT engineers. We are sitting at our home, right? 8 hours per day we are spending on chair. But do we consider like what is our future, right? The penny you spend on yourself will definitely be worth in your future. So in today's video, I'll be showing you some of the best exercise which you can be at your home and work out those exercises, and whatever the belly fat you have, whatever you want to get yourself into the toned fitness, definitely you can do that. It's not for DevOps engineers, it's not for SDE, it's not for a QA engineer, it's for everyone who is watching this video. So stay tuned, I'll be showing each exercise in detail and be with me. So definitely some of you might be thinking why Praveen is inside the gym. So let me tell you my story. 6 months back when I went to my health checkup, right, complete body health checkup, I came to know like I'm having high cholesterol value. So you know like how cholesterol is impacting today's youth, today's people. So in order to come out of that, I made several things. I used to play badminton, but that didn't help me to lose weight. And then I thought, okay, why not I hit a gym? So that's where I am at this gym. You can see like when no one is here, I have made myself to come here and help you all to show how I have reduced my weight to some of the kgs, right? And I feel myself more lightweighted now. So let's get started with some of the exercises. So first exercises, you can see the stick in my hand. So what I would be telling is, if you are at home, just take out the stick. Just make sure you have the comfortable position right at your place. And being like every time we are growing up in the school, right? We are all spoon grown-ups. In that, you would have already seen this exercise where we do this, right? Yeah. If you follow this exercise, 3 sets, each set of 10 reps, what it will impact is, it will impact your lower abdomen. The belly fat in the stomach will get heated up and it will be coming out from your whatever the waist fat you have. So second exercise with the continuation of this, I'll be showing like after you do this, make sure your breathing is proper, inhale and exhale deeply. And the next exercise which I'll be showing is, make sure you have this bamboo stick, it will not cost much. So spend something on your health definitely. So in this, I'll be showing, make sure your legs are very much close to your shoulders, right? Parallel to your shoulders. And the next exercise will be like this. Arms straight, parallel to your stick, and then bend down. Yeah, likewise, 3 sets, 10 repetitions each, you need to follow this. So I hope this is going to help you a lot to reduce your belly fat. So guys, our next exercise will be focusing on dumbbells more, right? So this is 2.5, I'll not go with this. 2.5 again, 5, I think 10. No, we will go with 12.5 because I have been doing this exercise for last 3 months. So I have taken 12.5 here with me. So I'll be showing one of the good exercise. For this, you can buy some dumbbells for yourself at home. And this is like squats exercise, but incorporated with dumbbells. So what it will do, right? The weight of the dumbbells will be helping you to make sure your pressure is on the thighs at the same time on your belly. So whenever you are doing this exercise, make sure your focus is on top. And I'll be starting with my exercise. Hold the dumbbells tight like this. And just follow me again, the legs parallel to your shoulders. So yeah. Yeah. So again, 3 repetitions. 3 sets of 10 repetitions each. So it should be good enough to make your belly fat come outside. So I'm just taking out some breath. You can see me, I'm totally sweat with 2 exercises. So guys, coming on to the third exercise which everyone should follow is you should need a mat for that. So I'll be showing you how you can do at your home. Right, just buy a mat which will cost around 450 to 500 and definitely it will be worthful. Again, why I'm telling, every penny you spend on yourself will be an asset for you in the future. So come with me. I'll be showing some of the exercises which you can follow on your daily routine. Right, so we'll be doing leg raises. Again, each set 10 repetitions only. We will not repeat more. Similarly, 3 sets for each of the exercises. So yeah. So when we are doing like this, make sure your hands are beside your stomach, and you can see the momentum of my belly, right? So it will definitely help you to gain or lose your fat, right? Yeah. So similarly, I will show some of the exercises. So coming on to the last exercise which we'll be doing today is mat exercise again, and we'll be doing plank. Every one of you have heard about plank. So I'll be showing some of the good tips. So again, you will need a mat for this, right? So what you can do is just, first of all, lay down, spread yourself across the mat. Make sure your elbows are in this position, parallel to your shoulders, and do this. So this, you can check how much time I can survive in this position. So yeah, go ahead, we'll see. Comment down if you are liking my video. Definitely I will bring such content to you. Maybe as a part B I will do for you guys, where I will be showing inside the gym with the equipments like what I am doing till now. Right? So this is for the people who don't have equipments at home. So yeah. If anyone can challenge me, you can challenge. I don't know how much time I can stay in this position, but yeah, I'm trying my best. And always make sure your breathe in and breathe out is constant. Yeah. So that's it guys. I hope you have liked this video. Comment if you have liked it. Definitely follow some exercise regime at your home. It's my humble request to all my viewers. And yeah, as promised, DevOps Bootcamp series is on the way. I'll definitely bring. It's not like I'm making some teasers and all. Definitely it's on the way. And also interview series is going on. Definitely tell me what topics you need to cover on DevOps Bootcamp. With that said, stay healthy, stay safe, and subscribe to my channel if you have liked it. Share it with your friends and comment. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.